Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and this is the continuation of our first day here on board MSC Bellissima. Bago namin i-explore ang buong cruise, samahan nyo kami as we're going to have our first meal dito sa Marketplace Buffet and meet my friend Franco.
Different programs. So you can find on your cabin, we have a daily planner. However, if you want English daily program, you can check on the system. Okay? So to start with, on the morning, we have different activities until midnight. Like for example, for tonight, we have a disco night. Okay? It starts 11 o'clock, which is located in Deck 16, Horizon Pool. So everybody is invited.
Wow!
Great.
Yeah, this is our show. And then for tomorrow, we have different activities like we have some shows. Yeah. So this one is in the promenade. You can see the big screen. Yeah, and then we also have some karaoke superstar. Like, okay. I know Filipino loves to sing, but we also have some musicians Filipino. You can jump with them. We have two musicians which is Filipino. Sino? The other names. Kuya Rami and Ate Gina. So they are local musicians. So they kind of jump with them. Sige, ikaw si Rami mamaya. Yeah, Rami is so nice.
So this restaurant is offering a buffet. Tapos, it's operating almost round the clock. Nasa 20 hours a day. And very impressive ang array of choices and selections ng kanilang buffet. So, grabe ang daming choices ng kanilang buffet. From Mediterranean, Italian, they have international dishes. Tapos, may mga live cooking area sila. And then, if you want to have some healthy options, meron din sila. Ang dami nilang desserts. And right now, parang kami pa lang yung pasahero na nandito. And we are still in the Islamic port of Jeddah. Bon appetit! Wow, grabe. Sobrang busog. And right now, samahan nyo kami as itutour tayo ni Franco sa kanilang mga amenities and facilities dito sa MSC Bellissima. As you can see, we are here at the Deck 18 at the Aqua Park. And this is one of the most intricate and exciting water park at sea, featuring 3 twisted slides and merong mga Himalayan bridges and a range of pools. So this area is open for all ages. So eto naman ang kanilang sports bar. Ito naman ang kanilang arcade games and virtual games area. So, kung gusto nyo mag-workout, nandito kami ngayon sa kanilang gym which is equipped with the state-of-the-art techno gym, cardio, and strength training equipments. Meron sila mga trainers and ang kagandahan nito, overlooking the main pool area. So right now, we are here at the Atmosphere Pool on the main deck of the ship wherein dito ginaganap lahat ng mga activities, games, sayawan, and cooking shows. And they have a stage over there and there's a big LED screen. So sa sobrang excited, hindi na kami nag-aksaya pa para i-try ang kanilang whirlpool. And buti na lang, nagdala na kami ng aming pang-swimming at pamalit dun sa aming hand-carry luggage dahil medyo late na nila madideliver yung inyong mga luggages sa inyong cabin. So while we are waiting para sa aming departure, we are still here at Jeddah Islamic Port while watching the sunset. And dito kami nagja-jacuzzi. Hot jacuzzi at the 37 yung temperature.
Yes.
Masarap siya. And overlooking Balad.
The Red Sea.
And Red Sea. And
While waiting for the departure, which is scheduled at 8 tonight. But they said that we might be...
Hindi, gumagalaw na.
Gumagalaw na.
Gumagalaw na yung barko.
Ang tubig.
Ang tubig ba yun? Okay. Sa laki ng barko, sobrang enjoy na. Yun. And
Dito po kami sa Turumpan.
sa Turumpan, we're having drinks. So far, non-alcoholic drinks pa lang ang pwedeng i-offer kasi nandito pa kami sa Jeddah Port. Later, yun ang aabangan natin. So for now, bye!
Abangan niyo ang pagkalasing ni Louie.
So right now we are heading to the London Theatre as we are going to attend the cruise emergency drill orientation. We're together.
Follow the directional signs and instruction from our crew number. Do not use the lift, elevator, and in stairways and corridors. Keep to the right. For you, ladies and gentlemen.
Right now we are having a drill, and then right now we're going to the assembly station para alam namin kung saan kami pupunta ko in case of any emergency. Here we go. Wow. Amazing. So ang assembly area natin dito lang. It's very near.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
In case of emergency, this will be your assembly station.
All right.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Wow. These are made of confectioners and chocolates. Galing. Amazing. Yeah, we have to ask. So this is the Infinity Lounge area, and while we are watching for the live performance, we are also enjoying the 80 long meter LED screen na nasa ceiling, and it's so very impressive. dahil every 30 minutes yata, if I'm not mistaken, nagkakaroon ng show and nag-iiba-iba ang theme ng palabas sa ceiling. It's dinner time! And kahit busog na busog pa kami, we are now heading to our designated restaurant, which is the Lighthouse. And as you can see, grabe, ang daming alak. Ang daming alak. So, I hope we could try it later. So we are very much excited dahil this is our first fine dining experience in a cruise. So we started with soup and then starter and appetizer. We were also served with a seafood vongole and a oven baked salmon and may steak then. And then also binigyan pa kami ulit ng grilled salmon and we had a survey. And shout out to our waiter, JP. Ang galing ng service. So excellent. Grabe, sobrang busog namin. And right now, we are here at the Atmosphere Pool for a movie night while waiting for our departure. Now living Jeddah Port. You can see the tallest fountain is there. Ang bilis pala. So guys, this is it for now. Abangan nyo ang aming day 2. Good night! Bye!